got tired of waiting.
Huh?
I got tired of waiting.
Yeah.
Come on, fuckhead. There. Now save it.
The other thing I hate about this, you can't go in and lock a video. Everything's good about the camera except, so I have to switch cards, switch SD cards. There was a video I wanted to save, and I was going back into it, and
It went bye-bye.
no, I fucking took the chip out and put it in my other chip, but you couldn't save it. Like you can't. It's almost like my mirror camera. You can't go and save videos that have been already streamed. My other camera, you can do that. The cheap one, $100 one, you can fucking go back and go in the menu and lock it. Well, why is the tent place open? So what you and Mike talk about? Work?
No, Dad was over there. I was bringing up some battery.
Yeah, bring batteries.
But I did when I walked up to Mike and go, "How you doing, boss?" He laughed. How you doing, boss? I've known him since I was in high school. And he looks like I've known him that long. Fuck, he's old. No, I tightened up the belt and now I'm less boozed. I don't.
Look at his truck. Watch us find them. Look for them stacks. His name is Matt Garcia.
What's he want?
That other 360 camera.
The old one?
Uh-huh. It works. You just gotta keep it on charge. Like I had to have my battery pack hooked to it to keep it going. It dies quick. But $20 is 20. 20 is 20. Some guy told me about 50-50. Something he was telling me. And I'm like, yeah, why they gotta say it like that? 20 is 20. The fuck he had in his mouth.
You got a drink? Trying to drink? Read it? I bet you my dad will be parked on Kearney. Yeah, my wife was gonna go until that was a thing.
What?
Because Dad was trying to get her to hang out with her, and my wife don't want to. So my wife used the excuse she filmed me. I know, I'm only getting about 8 pounds of booze at max. You gotta outline it.
I tried it. It's a bitch. Get off. Like, you gotta make sure you grab the magnet, not the camera.
So you don't rip it?
Yeah. Ribbit.
Oh wait, did you tell Avery it's a car show? Where's the show? Gun show. That was funny. Okay, here you are. Yeah, it's still getting outside, yeah. You got a cup. So does it know if we get in a wreck? I have a G-force thing in it? No, I was right to say it. Buddy,
What?
does it have the, if you get in a wreck, it feels that big jerk and saves it?
Oh, yeah, but I got that shut off.
Yeah, but if I'm in a semi, I would. You got a cup. You have a cup. Nobody's saying it.
Nobody cares.
You got a cup.
They probably fall off already.
Well, hopefully it lands in the bed of the